I just noticed I had an issue a couple months ago about certain cables weren't charging. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab charger. It's universal. It goes with phones also, but it also goes with your Xbox controller. So if you have issues finding a chargeable cable, because some cables are only for charging or data transfer, this one actually does both. I'm at the 24 mark. Um, I have been having issues with this particular controller, but my other controller is straight. Uh, I just finished updating that with the Samsung Galaxy Tab cable. So if you ever had any issues, you can use that one also. Xbox, I love you.